Hey, Klaus here. Just got a question from someone in regards of bounce rate, asking if his bounce rate on his e-commerce store is too high or where it should be. Now, it's funny because I just recorded a video yesterday for my group members on that topic, on bounce rates. Now, bounce rates obviously happen on different points on your site. It can be a bounce rate on your homepage, on your collection page, on your product page, even on your checkout going forward. So you really need to look into which level the bounce rate occurs, and then there is some percentages that you should aim for. So again, just generally a bounce rate value does not really cut the cheese. You need to dive a little bit deeper in there and really look into specific pages and see what the bounce rate is there, and then evaluate what the problem is in the user journey on that specific part, and why your bounce rate might be too high, or why it might be just good. So that's about bounce rates. If you have any questions, then message me and I will happily look into it and try to answer this on this channel. Other than that, have a great day. Bye.